Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn, where we draw and color fun things and learn something new every time. Today we're drawing and coloring George Pig and his super cool time machine. Yep, George is going on a time-traveling adventure, and you're coming too. If you love drawing and learning with us, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our silly stories and coloring fun. Let's start drawing and coloring George inside his big, bubbly time machine. This one has buttons, levers, and even a light bulb on top. How fun is that? George is about to press the green lever. Beep, boop, bzzzt. Where will he go? To the time of dinosaurs or the future with flying cars? What do you think? If you had a time machine, where would you go? Remember, it's so fun to draw and color a time machine. You can make yours as bright and silly as you like. Let's pretend we're inside George's amazing time machine. He pushes the lever and whoosh, zoom, spin. Everything outside begins to swirl with colors and lights. Bump! The time machine lands. George peeks outside and gasps. It's the age of dinosaurs. He sees a triceratops, a big plant-eating dinosaur with 3 horns on its face. Did you know triceratops means 3-horned face in Greek? And over there, a T-Rex stomps through the trees. Roar! That one's a meat eater and one of the strongest dinosaurs ever. George waves and says, "Hello, dinosaur friends." He even paints a picture of them munching leaves. But suddenly, zip! The time machine spins again and takes off into the future. Now he's in a shiny, silly world where robots make pizza and cars fly through the sky like birds. There are even machines that talk, walk, and zoom around delivering food. Flying cars aren't real just yet, but scientists are actually working on them. And robots already help in real life, like helping in hospitals or cleaning floors. Would you ride in a flying car? What color would it be? And how would your robot pizza taste? Would you want cheese and jelly beans on it? Keep drawing your time adventure. Maybe you'll visit dinosaurs next, or the moon. Let's learn a few things while we finish drawing and coloring our time-traveling friend. Dinosaurs lived over 65 million years ago. That's a lot of birthdays ago. Time machines aren't real yet, but they're fun to imagine and read about in books and cartoons. And here's a silly surprise. If you could travel just 1 second into the past, you could say, "I already did that." Or, what if George traveled back to when bananas wore pajamas? Just kidding, that's from a silly song. Your time machine is looking amazing. Keep going. Maybe add swirls, stars, or even sparkles to show it's spinning through time. What would your time machine look like? Would it have wheels or wings? Would it be made of shiny metal or pizza crust? Cheesy time travel. And who would you visit? Maybe a pirate, a space explorer, or grandma as a little girl? If you're having fun drawing and imagining, don't forget to subscribe so you can join more silly adventures with us every week. Wow, artists, what a ride! You just drew and colored George in a time machine, and you went on a whole adventure through time. We learned dinosaurs were real and lived millions of years ago. Time travel is imaginary, but oh so fun to think about. And George Pig is a super brave time traveler. Great job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!